Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a registered GSD portal account and API access enabled. Next, request and securely store client ID, client secret, and your application certificate. These are required for authentication. Once done, map each GStreamer to the application and assign minimal role-based permissions so your app only requests necessary scopes. This reduces audit risk and simplifies token management. Make sure logging is enabled from the outset so you can trace authentication attempts and permission issues in later steps. You now implement the authentication flow. Initiate OAuth 2, 0 to get an authorization code, and exchange it for access and refresh tokens. Use your application certificate to sign requests where required so GSD verifies the origin. This prevents replay attacks. Once you have tokens, build robust refresh logic that proactively renews tokens before expiry and retires old ones. Also, store client secret and certificates in a hardware-backed or cloud vault with strict access controls to prevent credential leakage. You finish by enforcing least privilege authorization for each GStreamer and operation so only necessary API calls succeed. Enable detailed request logging and audit trails, and configure alerts for repeated failures, malformed payloads, or permission denials. If something goes wrong, first check certificate validity and token expiry, then confirm scopes and GSD portal role mappings. Many failures stem from mismatched permissions. Finally, rotate credentials regularly and rehearse a credential compromise plan so you can revoke access without disrupting filings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.